Okay, so I have opened the Safeguard Screen Protection. Originally, I cleaned my phone off. You're not gonna wanna have a cloth fabric like this because as you peel this open, it's gonna generate static electricity and any of these little fibers are gonna get trapped under there. Okay, so I've wiped it down and I cleaned it up again. There's still a few pieces of dust. Make sure you wash your hands, shake your clothes off, do everything you can in a different room, then come back, sit down, and we'll get started. So with this, they've supplied the instructions, Liquipel, this is a swipe card to push the air bubbles out. There's a little sticker here to help pull off any tape. And then you have your cleaning microfiber cloth. And then right here is our protector. Now that I have cleaned it several times, and I'm gonna use this microfiber cloth. Importance of this, we're gonna remove fingerprints and it's gonna remove any of those small dust particles, hopefully. And I'm gonna use this dust removal tape. Next, we're going to put on the screen protector adhesive. You're going to grab it by the sides and you will pull this back. Make sure not to touch. And then now I've laid that down. We're going to take our finger and we're going to make an X through here. And I got a couple air bubbles. So, and we do not want major air bubbles in here. Now I'm using my Liquipel card and I'm drawing this real slowly over to the edge to keep the air bubbles out. So small air bubbles, especially these ones along the side here, these will just work themselves out then after a day or so. And then you will notice this will have a harder time adhering near your button, but within 24 hours that should. So I've worked out all of the air bubbles. Okay, so the final step is I'm gonna remove very slowly, because if you pull it too fast, you're gonna get air bubbles. And you'll notice while you're doing it, it's not gonna wanna adhere down around the button. It's not flat and smooth like the rest of the phone. So as long as you're dust free, you are good. So I have no blemishes or anything, so this is really nice. Good luck to you. So